Hey guys, it's YozaGamer here, and in today's video I'm going to be showcasing the Rode SmartLav Plus. So let's get straight into it. This is a lavalier, or known as a lapel mic, that can attach to your clothing or under your shirt to get crisp, clear audio on the go. This microphone set me back around $70. It can be found for around $60 in the US, but for me in a different country, it's a little higher. This microphone is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. It is also TRRS compatible, which means it is compatible with a 3.5mm jack on your phone, or also an adapter may work on ones without a headphone jack. This has a slightly better microphone compared to the normal SmartLav, so you're able to get as crisp, clear audio with this omnidirectional style polar pattern. Now this is quite a small box. If you're like me, you get it in the mail, you look at it, and it looks kind of small, but you'll find out inside the packaging it's pretty well kept. So what I'll do now is do an unboxing of this thing. Okie dokie, so let's open this thing up and we'll have a look inside. Okay, so we have ourselves like a fake leather pouch. So this also has the logo right here on this side. We'll be able to open this thing up and look inside. We've got a little quick start guide right here, very simple. Okay, we've got the microphone right here and a little warning of strangling yourself. Yeah, that's not great, but it's obviously made sure that little children don't get in this and yeah, do that. What's in here next? Okay, so we've got a little bit of Velcro. So this is used under your shirt, which is quite convenient. It's also black in my case. I've actually seen white ones instead of this color, which is, yeah, unique. And we have got the actual clip in this packaging, so we'll be able to take this out and have a look. Okay, so here it is. It's, yeah, obviously a little bit of metal. All you need to do is tie your microphone around this and put it on your shirt, and yeah, you're ready to go. Well, it looks like that's it. There's nothing else in there, so we should do an audio test where we will go against the unedited and edited audio files. Righty guys, we have now got the microphone set up, and I think it does sound very good. Now currently right now, I've got it hooked up to my camera with a few adapters. Now this first adapter is the Rode SC1, so this gives a lengthen to the cable that you're currently using. It is 6 meters, so it is pretty good for that. The next adapter cable I'm using is the Rode SC3. Now this goes from TRRS to TRS, so it means that I'm able to use this lavalier mic on my camera. Now this is quite convenient, so instead of me having to match up the audio in post, I'm able to have it into the camera and I'm able to manually change the settings. So with Canon DSLRs, which I'm currently using right now, they have an issue where the auto adjustments for the audio are not right. So what you do is you set it to manual and then turn down the audio levels so it doesn't peak. I've had that issue before trying to get this to work. And yeah, when you make sure it's hooked up to a Canon camera, set it to manual. Now this audio quality sounds pretty good. It is omnidirectional, as I said, and I thought that might not be so great, but it actually cancels out all the surrounding audio and picks up your voice well. So what I'm going to do now is go from the unedited to the edited audio. So right at this point, this is unedited. It is the completely clear audio from the microphone. Nothing has been done to it. Now this audio has been changed in Adobe Audition with a bit of compression added to it, so it sounds a bit more crisper. Yeah, it's a little different, it sounds nicer, and for the quality you get for the price, it's great. Now I have actually seen other tech YouTubers go and recommend other Chinese brands that are around half the price of this, but they're probably not going to last as long. That's why I've gone with the Rode one myself. I know that I'm going to have a good quality with this for a while, and if it does break, I will actually let you know in the comments. I'll pin it down below, and yeah, hopefully there's no comment there. Now if you do want to buy this product, I'll leave a link in the description. Not sponsored, obviously wish I was, but yeah, I'll leave a US link and an Australian link. You can obviously find it in your country, go search it yourself, and yeah, it should be great. Now would I recommend this microphone? Yeah, honestly, it's really good. And being able to buy the adapters as well to hook it up to your camera and get the audio working through there without having to sync it up, like I said before, it's really convenient. Okay guys, well I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. If you do want to subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to be doing more tech videos. Now as a sneak peek of what I'll be doing next, I'll be actually getting a review of the Rode VideoMic Go. I'll be using this on the Canon camera that I'm currently using, and you'll be able to see the audio quality with it as well, along with the optional dead cat. So yeah, if you want to see that, stick around. It really helps me out to have more subscribers and that kind of stuff. Tells me you want to watch. And yeah, okay. See you later and peace.